Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can trade on crypto.com. So again, as in previous video, you will need the separate app for that. So you will download from Google Store or Apple Store crypto.com exchange. So this is right here on the right side. Click on it. Obviously you will need to log in. So if you have the main account on crypto.com, you will just need some password or two-factor authentication so that you logged in into your main account. So you don't need a separate one, just the separate app. Now, how to trade right here. Okay, so this is the main screen which we see over here. Then down the bottom we have markets. So here you can see your favorites, trading, spot, perpetual, futures, and so on. Then the third one is trade. So right here you can start trading. Again, here you can set your limit market, stop loss, or stop loss market. So you can trade right here as you wish. Then you have also the margins. So you can set here the cross leverage, how you want it. Also, you will then set the quantity of the coin which you want uh, to trade. Then right here you have also the stop loss, simple, advanced. You can also set. So if you set a simple, you have the top price and stop loss. And yeah, this is basically how you can trade on crypto.com. Also here at the top, if you want, you have at the top right corner next to the star, you have these candles. So if you click on that, you will see that you are redirected to basically the chart from TradingView. So right here you can see small chart so that you can visually see where everything it is now. Then also here you have another chart, trading history, but yeah, this is not most important right now. Now what I can show you, then you have spot trading if you are familiar with that, perpetual and futures trading. Then the last one you have account. So here you can see how much you earn, and you can also deposit, withdraw. So yeah, this is how you can trade on with crypto.com exchange. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.